Hi students, welcome to the class. This is grade 3 science. Now we are going to discuss about living things and non-living things. Already we all know about living things and non-living things in your last classes. Can you identify what are living things and what are non-living things? Living things are things that are alive. They need food, water, and air to stay alive. They have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow, and change on their own and respond to changes in the environment. For example, can we see the picture of cheetah and a plant mimosa? Cheetah is running with the help of the eggs, and mimosa plant is feeling if we touch. Then plant is growing from the seed and the baby cat is growing up to big. Then living things can reproduce, it can feel. Examples of living things, we can see some animals. Examples of living things, we can see plants. Now we are going to see about non-living things. What is non-living things? Non-living things are things that were once alive or have never been alive. These things do not need food, water, and air. These things do not have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow, and change on their own. For example, here non-living things don't grow, reproduce, and cannot breathe, cannot feel. Examples of non-living things, man-made things, pencil, house, and chocolates. Examples of non-living things, car, chair, shoe, rock, lamp, robot, sand, cloud, t-shirt, water, or non-living things. Here we are seeing a picture. The fish is surrounding the house. The house is non-living thing, fish is a living thing. Here the pictures are given. Bird is living thing because it is flying. Ball is not a living thing. It is not moving. Pen is not a living thing. Bee is a living thing. Eraser is non-living thing. Duck is living thing. Stool is non-living thing. Horse is living thing. Stone is not living thing. Cat is a living thing. Living things eat, breathe, grow, reproduce. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. For examples of living things and also examples of non-living things are given. Can you identify? Yes. Can you find a living thing in these given pictures? Yes, parrot is a living thing. Others are non-living things. Here, can you identify the dog is living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. Pig is pig a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. Doll, it is non-living thing. Grass, it is a living thing. Bird, it is a living thing. Car, it is a non-living thing. Can you classify? Is pig living or non-living? Yes, it is a living thing. Butterfly, is butterfly a living or non-living thing? Living thing. Is table a living or non-living thing? Living thing. Sorry, non-living thing. Sunflower is living or non-living? Living. Pen coin is a living thing. Traffic light is a non-living thing. Grass is a living thing. Now I am giving the assignment. You just classify the living thing and non-living thing for the given assignment. I hope you all understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.